Hi everyone, it's ASKA here. In this video, I will show you how to make a plaid nail design using the popular magnetic gel. Plaid nails are perfect for fall and winter, and if you make them with magnetic gel, they will look shining depending on the angle you look at them. You can make them with just one color of magnetic gel, so please watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. I'll be using nail tips this time, but if you're applying it directly to your natural nails, start with nail care, lightly file the surface, remove oil with ethanol, and then apply a base coat and let it cure. First, prepare your favorite magnetic gel. This time, I will use this beige. It is better to use a magnet gel with the finest particles possible to get a clearer checkered pattern. Once you have taken the gel out onto a palette, use a thin brush to draw lines one by one. Take a small amount of gel on a brush and draw a vertical line about 2 mm wide from the edge of the nail. When you have finished drawing one line, prepare a magnet. If you use a square magnet, place it directly next to the nail and slowly move it closer to the nail, stopping when you reach the point where the magnetic gel particles start to move. Next, twist the magnet up and down a little. Twisting the magnet will move the magnetic gel particles, so adjust it so that the entire vertical line shines. Once it shines like this, quickly remove the magnet. When a line is formed, hold it against the nail light for about 10 seconds to temporarily cure the magnetic gel particles so that they do not move. If you are using a round magnet, hold it at an angle to the nail to gather the particles. In the same way, draw several vertical lines. After drawing one line, apply the magnet. Make it shine. Then temporarily cure it, and repeat this process to fill the entire nail with magnetic gel vertical lines. Once you have filled the entire nail with vertical lines, expose it to the nail light for the amount of time indicated on the gel to completely harden it. Next, draw a horizontal line. As with the vertical lines, first draw a line in the middle and fill it in about 2 mm wide. Once filled in, apply a magnet in the same way as for the vertical line. Once you have made it sparkly, temporarily cure it with the light for about 10 seconds. Next, draw the same horizontal line, leaving a gap of about 2 mm from the horizontal line you just drew. Once you have drawn the horizontal line, apply the magnet, make it shine, temporarily cure it with the light, and then draw another horizontal line at a distance. Repeat this several times to draw a plaid over the entire nail. Once you have finished drawing the entire nail, this time expose it to the light for the amount of time indicated on the gel. Finally, apply a no-wipe top coat to finish. Once you have applied the entire nail, let it harden. This completes the process. By applying the magnetic gel one row at a time, a sparkling plaid pattern has been created. How did you like the plaid nail art made with magnetic gel? You don't need any special tools to make them, just change the way you apply them. So why not try incorporating them into your nail art this fall? Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.